How to install XAMPP on your Windows PC or laptop. Open Chrome and search for XAMPP. Then open the official website. As soon as the site loads, you'll see download options for different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Just click the download button for your operating system, and the installer will start downloading. Once the download finishes, double-click the installer to start the setup. If you see any warning or pop-up, just click OK and continue. Now the setup will begin. Click Next, and on the components screen, you'll see options like Apache, MySQL, PHP, and more. Leave everything as default and click Next again. After that, you'll be asked to choose the installation location. By default, it installs in the C drive, which is fine, but you can change it if you want. Click Next, keep the language as English, and then click Next again to start the installation. It may take a minute or two, so just let it complete. Once the installation is done, click Finish, and the XAMPP control panel will open automatically. If it doesn't open, you can launch it from the Start menu. In the control panel, you'll see modules like Apache and MySQL. Click Start on both of them. When they turn green and show port numbers, it means the servers are running properly. Now open your browser and type localhost, then hit Enter. If the XAMPP dashboard page opens, everything is working correctly. From here, you can click on phpMyAdmin to manage databases, like creating, editing, or importing them. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.